Hello guys, as you may know, Qwen AI has released a hybrid Qwen 3 model series. The new open source models performed strong on benchmarks and are on par with Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, DeepSeek R1, and OpenAI O3 Mini and O1. In this video, we will first tell you how to use these models for free in 3 ways, and then test it for reasoning and a coding test. So let's start without wasting time. To use it for free, there are 3 ways. First, here, go to this model page, and then here, go to this Hugging Face space. Here you can choose the model and enable or disable thinking and text. Let's try with a short story prompt like this. As you can see, it's working. Number 2, go to Qwen AI Chat. Here you must log in or sign up with email first. I am already logged in. Here you can choose Qwen 3 models. The strongest one is this Qwen 3 235B MoA model with activated 22B parameters. Let's test by asking about its model. See, working as we needed. Number 3 is deploying it locally on your system. For local deployment, I already created a video on Llama. Please watch this, link in description. Now, let's start a short reasoning and coding test. Let's start with the popular R counting test. How many R's in strawberry? Here I misspelled and added one more R to see if AI can catch that. Waiting. Answer is correct, which is 4 in my case. It is also telling the correct spelling. Next is another popular test of finding the higher number. Which is higher, 9.11 or 9.9? Waiting. Answer is correct, which is 9.9. And last reasoning test from this Reddit page. O1 preview failed this. This is a code cracking test. Let's copy the question. Answer is 3841. Let's try it. Waiting. It is thinking deeply. Answer is correct, which is 3841. So it passed this short reasoning test. Next is the coding test. For the coding test, we are doing a single-page website UI interface creation test. This is the prompt that I gave. To generate a website that develops software and mobile apps, need an attractive site. Waiting now. Code is here. Artifact option didn't work. Let's download this file. Website is here. It is good at first look. It is attractive and professional. And far better than O4 Mini. In total, it's not bad for a model with just 22 activated parameters. Although it has some problems, like this menu button here, which is not needed. So this ends the coding test. Qwen 3 family is great and worth using, although it's still not at the level of closed source models. So that's all. Thanks for watching.